Hello seller, good afternoon. Okay, this one is a smartwatch that I bought recently. This smartwatch are silver color. Okay, you can see the silver color. Okay, I open the box and you can see. Okay, this one okay, the smartwatch silver color. Okay, for your information, this smartwatch have a issue, a problem. There is no sound, any sound. You can see. Okay, I open, switch on the smartwatch. Okay, you can see, but unfortunately there is have no sound. Okay, when open, it should have any sound lah. But unfortunately there is no sound. Okay, you can see I find the setting. Okay, this one setting. Okay, setting, I select setting. Okay, I select profile. Okay, I select this mode for mode. The watch one, normal, silent, meeting, indoor or outdoor. Okay, I select normal. Okay, select normal for this option. Okay, should have. Okay, option Okay, ring setting, I select. I have a record. Okay, I select. Okay, done. For the adjust volume, I select coloring tones 10, mastering tone 12, call volume 12, call volume 15, powering tone 15. There is have all the setting maximum for sound. Okay, done. Okay, this one you can see normal. Okay, so I activate. Okay, normal, I activate. Okay, succeed, activate. Okay, back. Okay, I switch off. Okay, there is have no sound. When switch off, no sound. When I switch on, you can see, but you can't hear any sound. Okay, for your attention, I hope your technician can fix it. Okay, I want to use this smartwatch properly lah. Okay, seller can respond and give the cooperation for fix this smartwatch. Okay, thank you.